Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets and numbers. Green color, blue color, white color, yellow color, red color. Kids, the last one is black. So now we are coloring alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So kids, now we coloring alphabets. So kids, first we draw A for apple. Now we use green color. The next one is B for ball. Kids, the next one is C for cat. Again we use green color. So kids, the next one is D, and now we use white color. D for dog. Kids, D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E for elephant. So kids, now we draw F for fish. And now we use yellow color. Kids, the next one is G for goat. Kids, the next one is H for hand. We again use yellow color. Kids, Now we use red color and draw I. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Kids, the next one is K. K for kite. So kids, now we draw L. L for lion. Now we use black color. The next one is M. M for mango. We again use black color and draw M. Kids, the next one is N. N for nest. So kids, now we draw O. O for orange. Kids, now we use blue color. O for orange. The next one is P. P for parrot. So kids, now we draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose, and now we again use green color. R for rose. The next one is S. S for sun. We again use green color. So kids, now we draw T. T for teacher. Kids, the next one is U. U for umbrella. And now we again use white color. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. And W for wolf. We again use white color. So kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. Now we use yellow color. Kids, now we draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. So kids, now we draw Z. Z for zebras. So kids, now we draw numbers. First we draw 0 and use red color. So kids, the next one is 1. O-N-E, 1. We again use red color. Now we draw 2. T-W-O, 2. So kids, the next word is 3. Now we draw 3 and use black color. The next one is 4. F Four. 4. So kids, now we draw 5. We again use black color. Kids, now we draw 6 and use blue color. S-I-X 6. Now we draw 6. The next number is 7. We again use blue color. Now we draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. We again use blue color and draw the number of 8. So kids, the last number is 9. N-I-N-E 9. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.